Hi there, students. Highbrow and lowbrow. Okay, highbrow and lowbrow, these are both adjectives, and they're also nouns talking about a person. So highbrow means intellectual, scholarly, academic. It was a highbrow lecture about Aristophanes. Highbrow also implies elite and of high culture. Nowadays, the BBC provides very little in the way of highbrow entertainment. It provides very little for highbrows. The word highbrow can also be used as a criticism, derogatively, to imply that someone is snobbish, is overly cultured. Somebody who thinks that they are better than most people because they are more intellectual. These highbrows refuse to mix with the hoi polloi. So highbrow with very cultivated tastes. Highbrow arts programs. Highbrow lectures. The highbrows were laughing at the lowbrows. So, lowbrow. Unsophisticated. Not meant for cultured, educated or intelligent audiences. Most TV programs are very lowbrow. They are made to appeal to the lowest common denominator of society. Slapstick humour is very lowbrow. It's made to appeal to the lowbrows. So, lowbrow with uncultivated tastes. Again, the word lowbrow can be used as a criticism, as a derogatory comment. The highbrows think the lowbrows are brutish animals, and the lowbrows think the highbrows are elitist snobs who have never done a day's work in their life. Okay, so highbrow, very high intellectual level. Lowbrow, unsophisticated, uncultured. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give both of these words a 6 in formality. I think you could use them in an informal conversation, and I think they also sound very good in a formal document, so nice and flexible there. Now the origin I quite like, it's quite interesting. In the 19th century they had a pseudoscience called phrenology, and they thought that the shape of the head dictated your mental capacities, and people with a long forehead, high brow, were intelligent, and people with a short forehead were stupid, lowbrow. And that's where it comes from. So highbrow or lowbrow. Yeah? Okay, so highbrow, intellectual elite. Lowbrow, the hoi polloi, uncultured, unsophisticated. So there you go. I hope this has not been too highbrow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Highbrow and lowbrow.